going to throw a whiskey sipper, or wine sipper. We're calling this throwing off the hump, because I've got a hunk of clay on here, on the wheel. And I only use the top part of it to throw the piece. So I'm throwing porcelain. Porcelain is a little bit harder to throw than stoneware. So basically what I do is get the top part of the clay ready to, this part I'm going to use right here. The bottom part I'm not worried about. Clay dries out a lot, and you got to keep using water to lubricate it. What is off camera that you can't see is I have a water bucket here with clay slop in it. I'll show you that when I'm done. I keep getting water on my fingers and the sponge. I have to get the water out of the bottom, or else it softens the clay and destroys my piece. I'm also compressing the bottom, which is something that we do to keep the bottom from cracking later. It's very easy to knock these little pieces off center, so it's kind of a fragile piece to throw. It's the final shaping of it. A little bit wet there, a little bit dry rather. That's pretty much done. Just going to clean it up. Get the water out of the middle. You may ask, why do you put water in it? You got to keep cleaning it up. Because if the clay's dry, I can't touch it with my dry fingers, or else it would pull it off center. Now I'm getting ready to cut it off. The hump. This is the tricky part. I need a place to put it. Let's see. Put it in that place, because this one's a bad one. Keep that one out. And there it is. I've made about 25 or 30 of them here. I've got 25 or 30 more. Okay, this is glaze preparation. I already waxed the bottoms of these pieces. I put wax around the foot so that glaze doesn't get on it. And now I'm going to take a glaze called black, or shiny black, and we're going to actually paint inside the footprint. So you can see the footprints here. We're just going to basically put shiny black inside, so that later on when it dries, we'll wipe it off, and then we'll have a footprint highlighted. So we do all these. Once those dry, we'll take a sponge, water, we'll just basically rub off the top surface. Shiny black is really sticks to the pot really well, so we got to be careful we clean it all off on the surfaces. And then what we end up with is just a footprint. Then we'll glaze this, and that footprint will show through the glaze. So I got to do that to all 46 of these. Now that we waxed this bottom and we put this black underglaze and wiped it off so the footprint shows, we're going to glaze it now. This glaze is called buttercream, and we're basically just going to dip it in there. It's going to be the whole thing in buttercream. Dip it in there. Let the drips drip off, let it dry. And the black should show through on the buttercream. At least that's the plan. Okay, the kiln is fully loaded. We'll do a close-up here and show you where the shot glasses are. So we got shot glasses all over the kiln. There's some at the bottom down here. These at the top are some experimental pieces, and with a single fire, some porcelain pieces. But there's some over here and all over the place. And you'll see them tucked in and around everywhere. So the next video maybe I'll show you is how we block up that door. I'll get Rita out here to help, and we'll do a time lapse. Right now it's on pilot burners. There's a burner in front like this. In the back, over on the other side, in the back corner, there's a burner exactly the same as this. Right now all we got is the pilot lights on. It's a pretty good sized flame. Its temperature inside the kiln now is up about 227 degrees. We're going to turn on the main burner here. Clean off some of the debris there. So we turn on the main burner, and we'll just turn it on slow at first. Gas line coming to the kiln building. This side of the gas line has no regulator on it. So I've got about 7.5 pounds of pressure. Right now I've got a half a pound of PSI, half a pound of PSI going into it. So I'll turn the back burner on now. So both burners are on. You'll hear them now. They'll get louder as time goes on. You see maybe some steam coming off the top of the kiln, which is normal. The temperature's up to 240, 250. We'll let that go for a while, and then every hour or so I'll come out and check it. And might adjust the burners a little bit. Somewhere around 1527 degrees, I'll lower the damper. I'll show you how to do that later. And we'll close the damper a little bit and put this kiln in what was called reduction. So that's it for now. Shot glasses are in there. They're being fired nice and toasty. They're up to 267 degrees right now. And that's it.